Let's talk a little bit about SP 598, which is, I guess, a way for people with multiple DUI convictions, like second or third DUI convictions, to get back on the road before a 1-year suspension period goes by or 2-year suspension period. What is it?
That's exactly correct, Josh. Under SB 598, this allows an individual who's been convicted, now we're dealing with multiple offenders here, as you indicated, second or third offenders, to get their license back early as opposed to serving out that hard on a second 1-year hard suspension or on a third 2-year hard suspension. On a second, that individual after 90 days from the date of conviction can apply to get their license back through the Department of Motor Vehicles, provided they're enrolled or completed their treatment program, that they have their SR-22 on file with the Department of Motor Vehicles, and then they show proof that they have the ignition interlock device. And we show proof, it's called a form, it's called DL-920, and it's actually a DMV form that they provide to us that we sign off on, indicating that individuals install the device as required. And at that point, they go down to their local field office and get their license.
So that it's clear. So on a second DUI, 90 days after the conviction date,
Correct.
so long as they install the ignition interlock device, they get the proof that it's installed, and they have the SR-22, they can go back to DMV with the proof of installation and get their license back?
That's absolutely correct. And mind you that the restriction, they can, as different from a to and from license, where they can just go to their treatment programs and to and from work, they can go anywhere they want. There's no restrictions, night or day. They can do anything they want. The only restriction is that they have that ignition interlock device installed in the vehicle at the time.
And that also means no drinking.
That's correct. That's correct.
And on a third offense, it's 6 months from the date of conviction.
Date of conviction. Okay. And if I might add, we can save the clients a lot of time and trouble with the Department of Motor Vehicles. We have a direct line to the Mandatory Action Unit. So any client who's interested in this program or under AB 91, which is the pilot program, can contact us. Even if they don't use our services, we're a great resource. Within 10 minutes, we can find out exactly what's going on with their license. And then they won't have to spend the day at the Department of Motor Vehicles or 4 hours on the public line waiting to try to get through.
So this applies to any county in California?
Absolutely.
Well, thank you. That's great information.
Thank you, Josh.